In this installment, we are going to learn 6 elements about mass. The place of mass in the SI system of units, the definition of mass, the differences between and among mass, force of gravity, and weight. How do you convert to pounds? How you can estimate conversions between kilograms and pounds, and how you can calculate conversions between kilograms and pounds. So the SI system of units is it's the only system used in science. What scientists have discovered is that you look the universe over, there are 7 fundamental quantities that exist in the universe. And a quantity is any attribute that can be measured. And of course, whenever we measure something, it is measured in units. But we want to make a distinction between fundamental quantities, things that you can fundamentally measure. They're the fundamental nature of the universe, and things that are derived from those. And I'll illustrate an example between fundamental and derived quantities in a moment. So the first of the SI units is length, measured in meters. Then we have time, measured in seconds. The amount of something, which is measured in moles, and you'll learn about that in chemistry. Well, we have electric current, which we'll learn about later in this course, measured in amps or amperes. Temperature, measured in Kelvin, which we focused on more in chemistry. Luminous intensity, or the amount of light, measured in candelas. And then the one we are focused on today, mass in kilograms. Mass and kilograms. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. Every other quantity or attribute of everything that exists in the universe is built on those 7. Let me give you a couple of brief examples. One of those you might be thinking about is average velocity. It's a quantity. Average velocity is an attribute of some body. And its formula is delta x over delta t. Well, x, position, is measured in meters. And the time is measured in seconds. So velocity has units of meters per second. But notice it's built off length and time. It is built off 2 fundamental quantities, so velocity is a derived quantity with derived units. Similarly, momentum is mass times velocity. Well, mass is a quantity that is fundamental, but velocity is a derived quantity. So it too is a derived quantity. So the place of mass in the SI system of units. Mass measured in kilograms. Next, we can look at the definition